welcome back to Keep Updating, and this is Jovedas. So today's video is going to be on the makeup series. Many of my subscribers has been asking me how to apply foundation correctly. So I decided finally to share some tips that I generally apply while I apply the foundation on my skin. And the video is going to be very short and crisp, I guess. And I'm going to show you some 3 to 4 tips through which you can, apply foundation to get that flawless amount of coverage, I guess, for the medium to full coverage. And all the tips and hacks that I'll be showing with you, that I'll be sharing with you, are going to be super easy. You do not have to get that professional amount of tricks and everything. It's quite basic, and all the things, all the products that I'm going to use are easily available in your home, so do not worry at all. And without any further ado, let's see what are the steps that I'm going to show you, and let's get started. But before you watch the video, make sure to subscribe it. Now let's get started. Before applying foundation and start maintaining all the steps, make sure to cleanse your face with the help of face wash or a cleanser. Also, if possible, try to scrub your face. It will help to remove all sorts of dead skin cells and make your makeup look very, very flawless. I can assure you that. Now, before prepping my skin with the help of a moisturizer, so firstly I'm going to use a toner, and this is JOVEES ROSEWATER toner. If you haven't seen the review video that I have already made about this toner, you can check the I button upside above in the screen, or also I'll be giving the link in the description box below, so you can check that out. And I'm going to perfectly cleanse my face with the help of this toner, with the help of a cotton ball, as you can see. So in the first step, I am going to use moisturizer, and for moisturizer I am going to use my all-time favorite, and this is from Nature's Co Saffron Radiance face cream, and it perfectly suits on my skin, and I am going to use lots of moisturizer here. Moisturizer helps to absorb the foundation, it doesn't make your foundation look very cakey kind of. And I am going to nicely massage my face with the help of this moisturizer. So finally, now I'm going to apply the foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is my all-time favorite as usual, and this is from Maybelline, and my shade is Natural Buff. I'm going to give the details of all the product in the description box below, along with the purchase link, so you can check that out and go through the purchase link for making purchase. And I'm going to use just a pea-size amount. Don't take too much of product, otherwise it will make your makeup look very, very cakey. So always try to apply a small amount. Start by using all small size amount, and after if you see that you need more product, you can take feel free to take that, but make sure to take a small size amount, pea size amount, for applying the foundation. Now, to blend out and buff the foundation, I am going to use a Damn Beauty blender. Make sure to use a Damn Beauty blender so that it can absorb the excess product. And always try to apply blend the foundation with the help of a beauty blender instead of brush. It will make a good amount of coverage in your face. It will hide all sorts of imperfection. So nicely blend out and buff the foundation nicely. Make sure to use a beauty blender, and don't just rub it, just dab the foundation, and look what difference you are going to see in your makeup. Now, after applying foundation, foundation, you already know you have to fix the foundation nicely in your face, and for fixing up the makeup you need to apply a compact powder. And for the compact powder I am going to use the brand called NALF USA in the shade medium. It helps to get that good amount of coverage and make your makeup look very flawless along with the matte look. So I'm going to use a good amount of compact powder to set my makeup, as you can see. And this is the final look, guys. As you have seen, I have completed my makeup and the foundation routine, and this is the final look. I have not used any kind of professional technique for using the foundation. Just a simple technique will help to get a good amount of coverage in your face for any kind of regular occasion or for the party purpose. So yeah, this is my final look. So guys, as I've seen the tips and tricks that I have shown you to how to apply foundation, I hope the tips are quite easy, and you don't need to be professional or something like that to apply to get that flawless amount of coverage. Just maintain these steps and I can assure you, you are going to get that flawless amount of coverage. And I hope these tips are quite helpful to you. So if these tips were helpful to you, then please apply this while you apply your makeup, while apply your foundation. And after getting the result, please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. No matter your feedback is negative or positive, your comment means a lot to me. So make sure to give your comment. And also, if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also please don't forget to click the bell button, because without that you are not going to get the notification. And I'm going to coming up with various other amazing makeup hacks, easy makeup tricks and tips. So for that, to get the notification, you need to click the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, with this I end my video. This is Joveeta signing off now. Also, I have given all the details of my social media networks, so make sure you can follow me in the social media networks as well. So yeah, with this I end my video. This is Joveeta signing up now. And until then, keep updating. Bye bye.